I just kind of wanted to show everybody this truck. I'm actually cleaning the whole truck up. We're going to put a camper shell on it, and I try to make the wood camper shell somewhere over there. But we're going to make the camper shell put on there, and I have 2 engines inside my shop we got to put in here, wrap up with the tarps, and then put the camper shell on top. So, I just want to show, this is how I spend my Saturdays. This is just full of junk cardboard and clothes. I mean, it's some nasty shit. This is a different box from a different load of garbage, but look at this. This is just, look at all these nasty shirts and stuff that have just been out here in the elements and the weather. I got all these from a van I picked up the whole van for $100, but it had it was completely stuffed full of clothes. And the lady goes, oh, you know, you can take all that. Like, she used to resell stuff, but look at that. It's like 4 or 5 shirts crammed together. And it's been sitting out here. Now I need to use this truck, so I got to get rid of all this clothes. So I've been bagging them up. This is my garbage trailer for the day. Been bagging them up, putting them in these clothes. But this whole thing was filled really tall with clothes, and it was just, now I got to dispose of them all. Look at this. So I'm cleaning out all this stuff now. I got all the clothes over there, bagged up. Look at this. There is a worm. Move, worm. How do you get a worm in the truck? Look at this. How the heck would the worm get up there? And then why would it hide in this box? They've been in here for like a year. How does that happen?